Hello. The verb avoir is the topic of this video. Let's start with the following proverb. Avoir le cœur sûr. The meaning is to be generous or kind-hearted. Let's complete the sentence at the end of the lesson. Let's conjugate. J'ai. I have. Example. J'ai un chapeau. J'ai un chapeau. I have a hat. Next one. Tu as. Tu as. You have. Example. Tu as des lunettes. Tu as des lunettes. You have glasses. And the next one. Il, elle a. Il a, elle a. He, she has. First example. Il a une moto. Il a une moto. He has a motorbike. Second example. Elle a une voiture. Elle a une voiture. She has a car. It's time to summarize. J'ai. Tu as. Il, elle a. Il a, elle a. That's it for the singular forms of the verb avoir in the present tense. Okay, let's reveal today's sentence. Avoir le cœur sur la main, which means to be generous or kind-hearted. Thanks for watching and see you next time.